Hanukkah, day 5.
You better not do another one of those purple days.
I won't.
Okay.
But the candles are birthday candles. All right. Well, I see here blue, pink, yellow, turquoise, white, purple. You got one right.
I could work with that. Boom, boom, boom. Okay.
All right. I see 2 correct.
2 correct. How about now?
Get back to 1.
Everything's falling apart. Okay. And then we're gonna go green.
Getting closer. And now you have 2 correct.
This is like an extra added layer of complexity.
I guess the more days, the more complicated, I guess. Now you're stuck at 1.
Let's split these around.
Okay, now you're at 2.
Let's do this and this.
Nope.
This and this.
No.
Okay, it sounds like that's correct.
Yeah.
What about this and this?
Yup. Now you have 4 correct. And there you go.
Okay. I'm not sure if it's safe to light these. Here we go.
Alright, so I guess we're not lighting the birthday candles. But happy birthday if it's your birthday today. Here we go. Shalosh arba beh.
Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lehadlik ner shel Chanukah. Baruch atah Adonai Eloheinu melech haolam שעשה ניסים לאבותינו בימים ההם בזמן הזה.
Wishing you a Hanukkah Sameach from the Kohanos.